Today we are going to be doing the coveted Blue Blood Collection review. Look. I don't know, something. I've been waiting for this for so fucking long, you don't understand. I didn't get as much Blue Blood stuff as I would like, but that is because I am poor. I got the palette, I got a makeup bag, and I got a lip scrub. And I'm going to show you guys that, and then I am going to be doing a look with the Blue Blood palette. So first off, I'm going to show you the accessory sort of like side things I got besides Queen Blue Blood. I got a reflective dark blue makeup bag. I'm not sure how amazing this looks on the camera because the light's going to be reflecting. Nice. I love the plastic of these things. But I got the Velour lip scrub in Blue Freeze. Now, if I can be honest, I'm not trying to come for Jeffree or anything because he's like my favorite. I wouldn't say this is his most accurate lip scrub because to me it doesn't really taste like a Blue Freeze Icy, which is what I was expecting. It tastes like my other one, the Rainbow Sherbet Velour lip scrub, but with less flavor, I guess. But it is very aesthetically pleasing and still tastes like sugar, so I mean, like, and it smells good, so nothing wrong with that. So those are the two accessory sort of side things I got, and now we are going to unbox Queen Blue Blood. This is probably my favorite packaging I've ever seen in a makeup palette or in the makeup world. I really love the clasp it has right here. The color, like the sheen, is like so nice. I don't know, it's so, I love it. That's my point. Alright, so before we start this look, I have to put on foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. It is broad spectrum and it has SPF 15 sunscreen. It's a very liquidy foundation. I'd say it's medium to full coverage. So I'm just going to take it, just going to plop it all over my face. This product is very buildable, so if you want it to be fuller coverage than it is, then you can definitely put more layers on. So right now I'm just going to put one more layer on this side to show you what it looks like with built coverage. Alright, so I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference, but this is the side with foundation on, this is the side with not. So if you like the coverage, go buy it, because why the fuck not? It's alright, it just sort of evens out my skin tone, makes me look less red. So we're gonna take one more pump of this shit. Here we go. Suck that bitch up in a tube. Them pores. We love texture. Haha. I don't even know if I'm using this fucking silicone sponge thing right. Am I just supposed to be slapping myself with it? I don't know. My fucking hand hurts from blending so much, man. This shit whack, homie. Okay, we are done with foundation. Now we're just gonna take HD finishing powder. If I can find my brush. Wipe that shit on my shirt, what?
You sounded like Borat.
Okay, now that I have the foundation on and my skin is all even, we need to bronze. And you know, we just live in here. Poor as shit, with a broken compact. Only rich people get a new thing when their compact is broken.
And what do we do with the rich?
We eat them. I need friends.
I'm your friend.
Shut up! Cool. Now we need some highlight. We are going to be taking Cullinan, this very light, shimmery, sparkly shade. We're gonna bring that bitch up. Can you tell? Can you tell? Jeffree did it again. I like it so much, I'm just gonna use it as a highlight on my fucking cheeks, bitch. You know, it's fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna use this shit as my highlight from now on because holy shit, dude. Okay, now that we have all the face done, we are going to go in with the eyes. Okay, are you ready? I don't think you're fucking ready. I'm gonna be taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, which I always use. It is literally the best eyeshadow primer on the entire market. And I'm almost out of it. I'm gonna bring a little bit under my eyes so that the under eye also gets primed. Fuck, blend, you stupid bitch. We're primed. We are going to take the brushes that I have been using forever, the Pure Cosmetics fucking Grinch brushes or some shit. We're gonna take this brush, and I think I'm going to start with I'm Cold. This nice light baby blue shade right here. I'm gonna take that, put it on my under eye, and then blend it up hither. Let me pat that on the brush. Nice. And go in. This is a packing brush, but I'm using it to blend because, you know, fuck it. I asked some people on my Facebook if they had any questions. I think I only might have gotten one. What is your favorite outfit you've ever worn? I will flash a picture of it right here. I bought this jacket at a thrift store for $40, which was probably a waste of money, realizing what the brand was after I bought it. But you know what, I didn't buy it from the brand directly, so they didn't get profited off of it. So this is the one that I have that's the nearest that I liked the most. Now I'm going to be taking Blue Blood with this crown right here. I love this stamp so much, I don't want to fucking ruin it, but that's what happens. And I'm just gonna place it in the same sort of way that I did with I'm Cold. Except I'm gonna blend it a little bit more towards the corner of my lid. Bro, I feel like a fucking 80s queen in here, honestly. Now I'm gonna take it and put it on my under eye and sort of blend it together with the top. I am going to be taking Blue Monday, this nice cobalt blue color. Oh, fuck. Ooh, bitch, it's pigmented. Okay, now I think we're gonna take Blue Monday again and just put it like in here. You're just going for it, homie. I'm gonna take Flourishing right here and put it, I'm mainly just under my eye. I don't know if I'm gonna put it anywhere up here. I might not, who knows. Put it down on the brush. Actually, yeah, I'll put it right there. I really should be using a fucking blending brush. What am I doing with my life? We gonna take a little snack break. We just gonna, you know, eat. Cause, you know, we need nourishment. What? I'm going to take a little bit of Undertaker, this shade right here, and put it just right here and maybe a little bit right here. Because I don't want it to deepen that much, but I want it to deepen a little bit. So now we're getting into the glitter, which is the final steps of the eyeshadow process. I'm going to take, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take Deceased, which is kind of a shimmery, it's not really a glitter. I'm gonna take Deceased and then Ocean Ice. I'm gonna put Deceased in this area right here. And then I'm going to put Ocean Ice more over here. And then just for a finishing eyeshadow touch, I'm going to put Cullinan in the inner corners of my eyes. You're finally finished with the fucking eyeshadow. Still a lot more to do, but now I'm going to take my ColourPop cream gel liner in white, and I'm just gonna line my waterline with it. Okay, we got that simple ass step done. I want some white mascara on my bottom lashes. It's just the ColourPop BFF mascara in Little White Lie. I'm going to scrape a little bit of the product off because while this is really good mascara, I think the brush is a little bit too big, so too much product gets loaded on and it can sort of clump your lashes together. Too much on those lashes, but it's fine. So I know I'm gonna look a little bit whack for a little bit, but I keep forgetting to do my fucking eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Still using the same eyebrow shit I always fucking do, the Beauty Bakery Midnight Lip Whip. 1, 2, 3, eyebrows. I think I'm gonna do my lips before I do my eyeliner and lashes. So I'm gonna be taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick and I'm just gonna apply this. I'm probably gonna do an ombre with another NYX lipstick, but for right now we're just gonna put this on our lips. So I'm gonna take this other purple lipstick that I don't know who it's by because I can't find a fucking label anywhere, but I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my lips. Okay, now that I did my lipstick, I'm going to go do my eyeliner and my lashes. And I will add a few finishing touches on camera, but I feel like I'm mainly done with this look other than the rest of the stuff I gotta do with the eyes. So, let's get to it. Okay, well, I got all my mascara, my eyeliner, everything on. Like I said, I'm gonna do a few more finishing touches on camera. I'm gonna be giving myself little beauty marks because I like doing that. So I'm just going to take the Beauty Bakery Midnight Truffles Lip Whip and just take this angled brush, take the very tip of it, dot, over my already existing beauty mark, dot, and a few more over here for good measure. Alright, okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video of my look for the coveted Blue Blood palette that I've been waiting forever for. Also, if you have seen my necklace at all throughout the video, I want to give a shout out to Candy Flaps and Sprinkles on Instagram. They have done 3 custom pieces for me so far, and their customs I think are currently open. And they just make a bunch of awesome, weird, crazy jewelry. So if you guys want to go check them out, maybe commission them for a custom piece, maybe buy some of their already existing jewelry, that would be awesome. This is not sponsored. But yeah, I just think they should get the recognition that they deserve. So once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and maybe share it if you'd like. If you have any more ideas for videos, please let me know because I'd love to fulfill your guys' requests, and I'd love to make more videos because I really need to get back into the swing of that. Alright guys, I will see you guys next time. I don't need primer because I'm a queen. I'm kidding. Please don't put that in the video. That was fucking